Aloha to our healthcare heroes out there. I want to thank you for what you have done. You are our first line of defense, and you put your life on the line to protect the lives of others during this most difficult pandemic. So thank you and congratulations. With that said, there are a few questions that I had, and I'm going to do my best to answer them. So, question number one, what do you feel the current political state of affairs is at this point? I don't know, chaotic? Maybe I better use a different word, disarray. Let me be respectful. We're not really in alignment. When I'm talking about alignment, I'm talking about government officials. In being completely respectful to Governor Ige and everyone, when we look at the current state of affairs, we're looking at the state's response to the COVID-19 pandemic. And unfortunately, it hasn't been aligned or congruent. It's kind of been buckshot. So let me explain this. We need to properly and effectively address the pandemic. And in order to do so, we need a coordinated effort, a united response. We need the executive branch to work well with the legislative branch, the county mayors, along with the Department of Health, Department of Transportation, and the Department of Education. In addition, we need to work with the healthcare providers to effectively address this pandemic while seeking to safely reopen our economy and schools. We have much work to accomplish. The second question I had was, what are the biggest challenges the legislature will be facing in the 2021 session? Well, again, safely reopening the state of Hawaii for business and coordinating a unified response to address the COVID-19 pandemic. We're going to do this with sound policy and bills that we must pass in 2021. We need to ensure resources in such bills are laser focused at reopening our economy in the safest manner possible. And my last question, what are your priorities for the next session, especially as it relates to healthcare? I could say I'm going to defer to the previous question and that answer, but let me do it this way. I feel that the priorities for the next session has to relate to healthcare, and this represents our biggest challenges that the legislature will be facing in 2021. Yes, it goes back to the second question. We cannot pause the economy forever. You're not going to have a one-year pause on the economy. We get that. In addition, you can't continue a 14-day quarantine for all incoming visitors and residents forever. That's a given. Therefore, healthcare and the economy must be aligned. There must be a partnership with the two if we are to safely reopen Hawaii for business, as well as our schools. Reopening our economy and ensuring the best safety protections are implemented amid the COVID-19 pandemic has to be our top priority. I'm looking forward to working with all of you. Thank you for attending this gala event, and God bless all of you. Stay safe, and I'll see you on Zoom. Mahalo.